Hi, friends. So this week we are learning about a very fun fairy tale. We are learning about the three Billy Goats Gruff. And so, what is the thing that the three Billy Goats Gruff need to cross to get to the big valley that's got grass in it? That's right, they need to cross a bridge. So I was wondering if I can make a bridge today that our three billy goats can cross. Now, and if I can, then I want to retell the story. So let's think of who the characters are in the story first. So, who lives under the bridge? That's right, it's the mean, scary troll with stinky breath. Ooh, so he lives under the bridge. And then the three billy goats are different sizes, right? We have teeny tiny billy goat, meh, and he faints. And we have the medium sized goat, meh, meh, will not make him faint. And then we have the great big billy goat. So look, if I put them all down here together, you can see this one is tiny, he's little. This one is medium size, and this one is big. All right, now I have some things to try to make my bridge out of. I have some popsicle sticks. Popsicle sticks are great for stinging, really are. So, got a few popsicle sticks. I'm gonna see if I can make a bridge out of these. Ooh, that's kind of. Last week we made a raft out of those, didn't we? To try to save the gingerbread boy. All right, and I've got some clothespins. I think I can make a bridge with these. So, probably gonna need at least 4 because a bridge is gonna have 4 legs, right? So, I put my goats over there. Let's see if I can build. See if my legs of my bridge can stand. Okay. All right, now, how can I build my bridge? I could put one like that. And I could put one like that. And then I could start laying them across. Do you think that's going to be sturdy? Ooh, feels okay sturdy. Not super sturdy. There we go. Right, that kind of looks like a bridge. Let's see. Will this hold little billy goat? Kind of wobbly. Oh no, it did not hold the little billy goat. But you know what a clothespin will do? Can you see that? It will open and close. I wonder if what if I did something where I had them open and close? That feels a little bit more sturdy. And on this side, all right, and then I can lay my popsicle sticks this way. I will tell you already, this feels much more sturdy. Now you could glue them down if you want to. That's a little bit more sturdy. It really is. There's my little billy goat. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. Let's see if it's sturdy enough for my big billy goat. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. Ooh, it does hold my billy goat. But it fell again. I think it might be good to glue them. What do you think? Would that help? Glue them and let them harden? I think that would be good. Unless we can think of another way. If I push it all the way down, that feels even more sturdy. Let's see. Let's try that. Oh, that definitely feels more sturdy. Certainly glue is a good idea too. If I push all the way to the silver part, oh yeah, that feels a lot more sturdy. It's not quite as tall, but it's definitely more sturdy. And I'm wondering if my troll can fit under it. All right. Oh yeah. That, I have to really push around on that to make it move. That held my big billy goat. All right. Let's see if it can make it all the way through the story. I'm going to have my troll under here. He's got to be under the bridge. I don't want him to knock it over though. All right, you guys help me tell the story. Once upon a time, there were how many billy goats? Yeah, 3 billy goats. They are brothers, and their last name is Gruff. There was little bitty baby Gruff, medium-sized middle Gruff, and great big Gruff. And they spent all winter up in the mountains eating thistles, right? Ugh. They looked down in the valley and saw the green grass down in the valley, and they said, we need to cross that bridge and get to the grass. So baby Gruff says, can I go first? Me first, me first. They said, sure. So here comes baby Gruff, and he gets on the bridge, and he goes trip, trap, trip, trap. Out comes the mean, ugly, scary troll with warts on his face and stinky breath, and he says, roar! Who's that trip-trapping on my bridge? It's me, baby Gruff. I'm gonna eat you up with some... Ooh, is there room for the troll? Let's see. I'm gonna eat you up with some... What did he say? Toast. Oh, no, don't eat me, said baby Gruff. Meh. I'm not big enough. Wait for my brother. He's tastier, yummier. Yummier, tastier. Okay. Our troll is not that smart. All right. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip. Good, our bridge held. Then along comes Middle Gruff. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip. And he gets on the bridge. You know, we probably need a ramp. Not sure. Something for another day. And out comes the troll. Who's that trip-trapping on my bridge? It's me, Middle Gruff. Ooh, I'm gonna eat you up with some milk. Don't eat me, I'm bony. You'll break your teeth on me. Wait for my brother. Now, is there room for the troll, and will the bridge hold? Yes. Awesome. Okay, then be gone with you. I'll wait for your brother. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. So the troll goes under. And who comes next? Here comes Big Gruff. What I don't know is if there's room. Who's that trip-trapping on my bridge? It's me. What you gonna do about it? Says Big Gruff. I'm going to eat you up. Oh, no, you're not. And he headbutts him. I'm going to hold on to that into the river. And the troll was never seen again. Friends, our bridge held. We did not even need to use glue. It held without the glue. So, I'm going to take off the billy goat. So, what we needed to do to hold our bridge in place is we needed to push our popsicle sticks all the way down to this silver part of the clothespin. Now, you may have other things at your house that you can use, and I would put maybe your little goat pieces and your troll piece maybe on a Lego or some other kind of block so it'll stand up on your bridge. And yours may be a little smaller. You may be able to fit even easier your pieces on your bridge. All right, I am excited about seeing the bridges that you guys are going to build and hearing your stories. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.